ship then. Well, I had a bad feeling about that last group, but this is the group I've been waiting for, yes! Come in! I have an opportunity for you all that is very dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends into danger? You insult my honor, and believe me, I have very little honor to insult. We'll talk later. I have to do everything around him. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On load for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No, the First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so Yes, keep shooting! They've locked on to us! Take evasive action! There it is! After that plane! Flight engineers, fire the harpoons! Excellent! Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, brakes! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one! Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I grab the axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo is pretty. Keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Guns! Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Coming down! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! We did not die! Let's get out of here! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is... Hey, not bad. Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. R5, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing. But keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another Rafta loose in here. I am not cleaning that up. Did you hear that? It's right over my cockpit. What is it? All right.
Welcome back, everyone. Make sure your car goes head on out.